When it comes to outdoor lighting solutions, we have two basic options: solar outdoor lights or wired outdoor lights. And if you want to take your outdoor lights to the next level, you should choose wired lights. And that's because solar lights do not provide the amount of light output or color options that wired lights provide. While solar lights are easier to install, more energy efficient, and eco-friendly, they still do not have the true brightness of wired lights. And solar lights rely on the weather to charge the batteries, so no sun, no charge. And those rechargeable solar batteries only last between 2 and 3 years. Yikes. So today, I'm going to show you an outdoor lighting solution that will give your front yard, backyard, or side yard an amazing and professional look. And best of all, it's easy to install. This is an outdoor light kit from a company called Enbrighten. This wired LED light kit contains 12 pucks with a maximum of 10 feet between each puck and has a total maximum of 110 feet. And this light kit even includes a convenient remote. This product comes in a 12, 9, or 6 puck option. And these LED pucks are commercial grade, which means extreme weather conditions won't be an issue. This LED light kit includes 16 different colors, 3 different brightness levels, and a plethora of holiday modes. And all these features are controlled with the remote. And it also has a 2 and 4 hour timer to turn the lights off at a later time. Although this timer is not as functional as it could be, but more about that later in the video. When it comes to installation, you have several different mounting options. You can mount them up or down or stake them into the ground. You can mount them here or there or everywhere. I do love me some Dr. Seuss. And yes, mounting stakes are included, but they're not metal, they're plastic. However, I do believe that metal stakes would have been better for a more solid installation. Just saying. The ground wire is thick and is also commercial grade. So bury the wires under the ground with no worries. Installation is super easy. Just unravel the lights and place them evenly around a path or a wall or in flower beds or shrubs. I chose to stake the lights at an angle to light up my palm trees and bushes. Now let's talk about the remote control. This remote includes a power button, a fade, dimming, and strobe button, a mode button for all the holiday themes. You can also use the 1 color and 2 color buttons to choose 2 different colors from the 16 available colors, which gives you over 120 possible combinations. And that brings me to the timer function. This timer only provides a 2-hour or 4-hour shut-off function, and that's not really a timer in my book. I bought a simple outdoor timer, so all the lights will go on for about 8 hours at night and turn off during the day. It's totally customizable, and this timer has 2 plugs, so I can add another light set. In one simple word, these lights are incredible. The white lights are very bright, and the colors are vibrant and beautiful. However, the colors are not as bright as the white lights. But it's not a big deal because I use the white lights more often. And these light pucks are so amazing, I bought an additional 9 puck set for the top of my wall. And it plugs in to the same timer. Pretty cool. The price for the 12 puck kit is $247. The 9 puck kit is $229. And the 6 puck kit is $169. So guys and gals, if you need some reliable, functional, and professional outdoor lights with plenty of color options, then check out these lights from Enbrighten. You won't be sorry. And the Enbrighten product links will be listed below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you again real soon.